Here we go. That's how you remove your hood. Okay, there it is. Seems to have a head gasket leak. So I need to take it off and put a new head gasket in. Definitely looks like some animals have been getting in here. Poop, seeds. Yummy yummin' happened there. Guess they like to eat the belts. Okay. Alright, so we did have this thing running a couple times, so it does run. So we don't want it to sit for too long without running, so we're gonna tackle it here, put some work into it, try and get it running again. That's how you fix your engine. Looking good. Oh yeah. Yeah. See what happens. Oh, it fell off. Okay, good. But I need you to keep this on up here until I'm ready. Okay. Alright, holding on to it? Yep. Okay, I'm getting the drill towards it. Okay, drill's attached. This will be fun. Does it seem unsecure?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead and let go.
Alright.
3, 2, 1. Still on?
Yep, still on.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Did we get it?
Yes, I did it.
Okay.
Ah.
Now, is the nut stuck in my socket?
Yep.
Here's the nut.
Oh. Is it hot?
Oh. It might be.
Thankfully not.
Okay, now the bottom one. This will be fun. Should have grabbed my goggles. I bought a whole pack of new goggles.
Oh, good.
Like 6 of them, so
Oh.
we'll have to Make sure we bring them out here so we can use them.
Yeah.
Because I gotta shove this through a rusty area that I'm looking up at right now. I'll go get my head out from under the rusty area. There we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Smoking. Yeah, it's smoking. It's still smoking.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee, smoking nut. Oh, yeah. Hold on. We're just disconnecting from the muffler here. Muffler's getting gone.
It's gone.
Oh man. So it's still stuck on the other side. Stuck on the exhaust. Come on. Come on. Yummy.
That's definitely a blown head gasket now.
It's reusable.
Yeah, I think twice. Yeah.
Alright. Let's show what we're looking at here. Those things are heavy. Okay. Alright, that's where we're stopping for the day. Gonna put the hood back over it probably, protect it from water. And have to finish up a different day. We're gonna have to take off that head too. We see some liquid inside the piston, and means there must be a blown head gasket over there too. I suppose now's the time to do it when we got it all apart, do it right.